Hi, my name is Misbah and I'm going to take you through the read mode feature on Wakelet. Let's get started. As you can tell, I'm in one of my Wakelet collections now, and you can see that I've saved quite a bit of content, including articles that I want to share. Now, if I hover my mouse over the article, the read mode button appears. I just click this button and I'm taken to the read mode screen. This shows all of the text from the article, allowing me to focus on the message in a clear and visual way. And that's not all. I can click the Immersive Reader button to open up Microsoft's awesome Immersive Reader. Now, before we get into it, I should mention that you can also access the Immersive Reader for any piece of text inside a collection. This is someone else's collection, which has a description and some text items inside. And as you can see, we have the same Immersive Reader button next to each piece of text. It works the same way as accessing Immersive Reader whilst viewing an article in read mode. Now, once you're in Immersive Reader, there are so many different features that you can choose that improve the accessibility of this particular article. So if I click on Text Preferences, I can change the size of the text. I can increase the spacing, change the font. I can change the background color to make it more readable. Now I can click here to go to grammar options. I can choose to view syllables, nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. This really helps comprehension when it comes to reading. And lastly, I can click on Reading Preferences to translate the text into over 60 different languages. Just choose the language, click the document toggle, and that's all there is to it. You can actually press play now to read aloud.
Οι καταστροφικές επιπτώσεις της κλιματικής αλλαγής είναι ήδη ορατές σε όλο τον κόσμο.
Lastly, and this is really cool, I can click on certain words to see a picture that helps me understand what the word means. And that's all there is to it. Now anyone can enjoy the articles you share, regardless of age, language, or ability. We're always looking to make Wakelet more accessible to everybody, so if you have any questions about Wakelet or the new read mode feature, then just get in touch with us at support@wakelet.com or just give us a shout out on Twitter. See you next time.